Think you need a huge following to make money online? You don't. In 2025, you can sell digital products with zero followers. And I'm going to show you how. Step 1. Pick a profitable product type. Start with something simple: Notion templates, ebooks, digital planners, Canva templates, AI prompt packs. These are fast to make, require no shipping, and have huge demand right now. The goal? Solve a problem. Budgeting, planning, meal prep, workouts, side hustle tracking. These niches are hot. Step 2. Create it with free tools. You don't need expensive software. Use Canva for design, Google Docs for writing, and ChatGPT to help outline or generate content. You can build a digital product in a weekend or even in a day if you focus. Then save it as a PDF or template, and you're ready to sell. Step 3. List it on Gumroad or Etsy. Both are free to join and easy to set up. Gumroad works great for digital creators. Etsy is perfect for planners and productivity tools, especially with SEO traffic. Upload your product, write a clean title and description, and set your price. $25 is a sweet spot for beginners. Step 4. Drive traffic without followers. Now the fun part: getting people to buy without a following. Here's how. Post value content on Reddit, Facebook groups, or Quora. List your product on Gumroad's Discover tab or Etsy search. Use Pinterest pins that link back to your shop. Submit to freebie sites with coupon codes for exposure. Offer a free mini version in exchange for email leads. No social media following required, just smart placement. Step 5. Set it and scale it. Once it's live, your job is to test titles, tweak your descriptions, and add new products over time. You'll start seeing random PayPal pings, even while you sleep. As your listings grow, so does your income, all automated. Final thoughts. Selling digital products with zero followers isn't a fantasy. It's happening every day. Use AI to speed it up. Use platforms that bring traffic. And most importantly, just start, because done is better than perfect.